I call this look Code Green. We did this green eyeshadow tutorial on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Go watch the video. You're going to need 5 brushes, 2 blending brush, a packer brush, a pencil brush, and an eyeshadow brush. You're going to need primer for your eyeshadow to stick to. So we're going to put this on our eyelid, blend it out. Try not to take it up to your brow. We are using 2 palette, Color Fusion. This palette is obviously great for a beginner. Look at all these colors. Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. Going in with that green. Start at the edge of your eye. You're going to do circular motion. You're going out, in, kind of like you're making a triangle. You see what we're doing here? I have wooded eye, so I'm taking mine a little bit higher. This green here. So basically blending the darker color out just on the edges. Lemon green in the palette, and we're going to do the inner here. We're going to drag it here. This color in the center. We're going to put a little depth here. I'm using navy blue. I don't know, where's my black? You see now you have like more of a depth to it. You would need to use a pencil brush to do this blending here. Same navy blue, we're going to deepen up right here. To clean up, I'm going to take micellar water. So go at the edge here and go straight up. Skincare is always important. Prep the lips. First primer is Oil Sucker. My nose. Rest of the face, we're using the NYX Glue Primer. You're going to put that everywhere else. Color corrector is great if you have dark circles. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Sasha British. I get questioned all the time about how I do my makeup. You got to make sure you set your color corrector because you don't want to look cakey. Turn up the Beat foundation and the e.l.f. Soft Glam. Mix these two. Makeup's supposed to be fun. Makeup is no wrong or right way to apply. Once you know where your cheekbone is located, I do here, around. I bring it down the sides of my nose. Do a V here. My favorite bronzing stick, LYS. Contour is the best part because you just define your face a bit more. Make sure you're pushing up. This is going to make your jawline very chiseled. Forehead, and your blush sit up here. MAC NC50 here. We just put a little bit. Not too much. This brush works so well. The upper lip, you can make your inner part of your face brighter, which you want. Do your under eye last. This brush is like a triangle, so it's like perfect. Blend concealer. Nice and sharp here. I'm gonna blend down, start at the bottom, and then work my way up. If you have problem with creasing, definitely set your concealer as soon as you blend. Set right away. Set the rest of the face, the NYX Buttermelt brush, just like this. To set the contour, we're using Charlotte. It brings up the face, your jawline. See how nice and awake we look now? We're using the MAC Fix Plus because we're looking kind of powdery. Make your skin look more natural than powdery. One size until dawn setting spray. Keeps your makeup on all night. If I could do this, I know you could do this. I'll show you how to do the juicy lips. We're going to move on to lips right now. I'm using Morphe. This is Dazzle. Overdraw the lips. I'm thinking we should do just a lip gloss today. Since the eye is a lot, I like to overdraw my top lip for a fuller look. So just go over your natural lip line. I'm going to also take some in at the corner here and here. Then go around. I follow my natural lip line here. Then we're going to go in with MAC Lip Glass. We're just going to apply this on the lips. It's very thick. Then rub it in. And it kind of makes it look like a nude lip. I also have this matte glass with like gold shimmer right in the center. I hope you take something with you. I hope you practice